Sir, I take the opportunity to speak on the fourth batch of demand for grants relating to dozen departments, sir, including the Finance, Energy, Council of Ministers, GAD, Justice, Legislature, Home, Revenue, Housing, Information, Public Relation, Irrigation and Civil Supplies, sir. Sir, now if we have to see, sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir. Sir, request to please bring the House in order, sir. Sir, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir. Sir, going on this demand, sir. So this demand, almost 12 demands are here, sir. And in this 12 demands, sir, if I take 5 minutes also, it will be 65 minutes, sir. So the reason why I'm saying is that, sir, in the next, at least in the next budget session, all the political parties should come together and see that the total demands are 38, sir. 38 demands or 40 demands, 38 or 40 demands, sir. Sir, these demands, how can we complete in 4 days, sir? Sir, earlier we used to take up these demands for at least 10 days, 11 days, 12 days. Healthy discussion, healthy debate can happen, sir. And Honorable CM Saab had said that, the opposition parties are objecting to this. The Akbaruddin Owaisi is being given more of opportunity. No, sir. I don't think anybody has objected for that. I don't think. Did the BJP object? BJP also didn't object. Nor they have objected, sir. Nobody did. No, nobody is objecting, sir. Sir, the reason why, sir, yes, sir, it is right, sir. Yesterday I took almost 2 hours, sir. But, sir, what one needs to understand is that it were 12 demands, sir. Sir, I know that I will not, all my issues will not be answered by the government, and it is not necessary also for the government. Government has their right, they will pick up any issue and they'll reply. But what I feel is that I should fulfill my responsibility, sir. I should do my duty for the people who have sent me here. So that's the reason, sir. And yesterday we had 12 demands, sir. For 12 demands, 10 minute ke hisab se I took time, sir. So this is why, sir, I say that आज 12 dozen है, sir. 1 dozen. 1 dozen demands are there, sir. Sir, but still, sir, Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister had requested me to, take less of time, and they want to end the session, he said. Sir, yes, sir, I'm always there, very accommodative. I've always said that, yes, before every session we can have a floor coordination, but still it is yet to happen. I hope that at least in next session we'll have some floor coordination between all political parties, sir. Sir, going further ahead with the first demand, sir, fiscal administration, planning, survey and statistics, sir. This demand accounts for an overall allocation of rupees 57,086 crores, including rupees 39,497 crores charge on the consolidated funds of rupees 17,589 crores, sir. The interest payment and repayment of repayment of loans by the government and pension and other retirement benefits of the government employees account to bulk of the allocation of the finance department, sir. The Telangana government has been making efforts to debt swapping and high-cost loans with short repayment schedules, borrowing, and previous government with fresh loans and financial institutions. Sir, I request the Honorable CM Saab to clarify on this issue, sir. Earlier in the budget speech also, I had requested Honorable Finance Minister to give a clarification, but it wasn't given, sir. The allocation of the Finance and Planning Department includes rupees 603.76 crores of Constituency Development Program in the year 25-26, sir. Apart from CDP, the Chief Minister Saab is provided with a discretionary special development fund for the welfare and development of schemes for which an allocation of rupees 1,886.75 crores has been made in the year 2025 and 26 budget, sir. The CM Saab sanctioned the funds under the SDF for development works and welfare programs, various constituencies on the request of legislature, sir, which we have always been thanking the Honorable CM Saab for doing it, sir. But, sir, one thing which I seriously have a very strong objection, sir, is that, sir, I have always been seeing, sir, and it has been continuing, whether it was Rajshekar Reddy Saab, whether it was Chandrababu Naidu Saab, or whether it was, any chief minister, whether Kiran Kumar Reddy Saab or again KCR Saab had come, sir. So, yeah, I mean, they, sir, what they do is, they have a, KCR Saab had a Gajwel Area Development Authority, then Rajshekar Reddy Saab had a Kadapa Developmental Authority, he had that, Kiran Kumar Reddy had for that, Chandrababu Naidu had for Kuppam, and now Mr. Revanth Reddy Saab is also having the same, sir, Kodangal Area Development Authority. Sir, I would say that everybody should have an equal share, sir. It shouldn't be that tomorrow, if they occupy the biggest chair, they are going to, go for their constituency development, sir. When I was just listening to Honorable CM Saab, he was saying that I believe in the development of the entire Telangana state. So yes, sir, when the Telangana state, then all the constituencies should have this developmental board, sir. Why only that? Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy's constituency should also have. Mr. Bhatti Saab constituency should also have. Mr. Srinivas Reddy Saab constituency should also have this development. Why only this only one, sir? Like how KCR Saab had for Gajwel, and it is still continuing for Kodangal, sir. What if the successive CM set up development authorities for the respective constituencies and deny the fund to the authorities set by their predecessor? अब जैसा अब रेवंत रेड्डी साहब आए, वो अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का बना दिए, बेचारे गजवेल को कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी डेवलपमेंटल उसको आप छोड़ दिए तो अच्छा नहीं रहता साहब, थोड़े पैसे उनको भी दे दीजिए. अभी बोले, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो दे देंगे तो वो भी डेवलपमेंट जारी रहेगा, सर. अच्छा, ज्यादा हो गया सर. ओके सर, जी अच्छा सर. तो अगर ज्यादा होगा तो थोड़ा इधर डाइवर्ट कर दो सर, ओल्ड सिटी को कर दीजिए सर. सर एंड ऑल्सो सर, Sir, moreover, it is not, is it not discriminatory to serve the Area Development Authority of former CM constituency, which I just said, sir? The government has earmarked 100 crores for a Brahmin Welfare Fund and rupees 25 crores for Arya Vaishya Corporation in the next year's budget, sir. Sir, Honorable CM Saab the यहाँ पे मैं बोलना चाह रहा था, sir, but I hope that हमारे Legislative Affairs Minister साहब है, sir. In today's demand, sir, we also have about this legislature, sir. सर, ये लेजिस्लेटिव कमेटीज होते हैं सर, माइनॉरिटी कमेटी, प्रिविलेज कमेटी, वो दूसरे पूरे कमेटी के लिस्ट है. मैं अभी पूछा था सर. सर, इट इज बीन थैंक यू सर. सर, दिस सर, इन दिस सर पिटिशन कमेटी होता है सर, प्रिविलेज, गवर्नमेंट एश्योरेंस, रूल्स, कमेटी फॉर एथिक्स, कमेटी फॉर जनरल पर्पस. सर, ये पूरे कमेटीज है सर, माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर कमेटी. इट इज बीन 15 मंथ सर. काइंडली कॉन्स्टिट्यूट सर, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा आप जरा उसको कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए तो सर सबको चांस मिलता है सर. सर, सीएम साहब चले गए सर. मैं और एक बात ये बोलना चाह रहा था, ये कमिटीज के साथ कांग्रेस के टाइम में सर डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट रिव्यू कमेटी, DDRC also used to be there. DDRC, डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट रिव्यू कमेटी यूज्ड टू बी देयर सर. तेलंगाना बने जब से TRS आई सर, वो भी कमेटी खत्म कर दी है सर. सर, एटलीस्ट ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट रिव्यू कमेटी इज देयर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंचार्ज मिनिस्टर्स आर देयर. I mean, they will take the meeting, sir. At least, sir, अब हो रहा ही है sir. Everybody is thinking that so much we are speaking, sir. Sir, ये district committees रहते हैं, legislative committees रहते हैं. All the members get a chance to speak in those committees also. All the members speak in the district development also. So many issues have been addressed, sir. I hope that through you, the demand which I am making, एक तो district development review committee, ये constitute करिए sir हर district में. एक 2 महीने 3 महीने में मीटिंग्स होती सर. दे विल रिव्यू ऑल द वर्क्स. अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू हैपन इन आंध्र प्रदेश, नाउ इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग. आई होप दैट यू विल टेक अ डिसीजन ऑन दैट सर. सर, और ये असेंबली के कमिटीज भी जो होते हैं सर, आई मीन यूजुअली दे से दैट इट्स मिनी असेंबली बोलते हैं सर. दे से दैट द कमिटीज आर द मिनी असेंबली. तो वो कमिटीज को भी आप कर दीजिए सर बजट के सेशन होने के बाद में. Sir, going to energy, sir, we have so many times we have been speaking about energy, sir, and there are so many issues which we have been talking about, sir. But I would just like to, cut short in that, sir. According to the Telangana Socio-Economic Outlook 2025, Telangana has a total of 1.9 crores electricity connections and 1.37 crores the domestic consumers account for 71.9% of the total connection, followed by 29.14 lakh agriculture connection and 22.88 lakhs commercial connections and 1.51 lakhs industrial connections, sir. Sir, इसमें मैं बार-बार एक ही सवाल पूछ रहा हूं हमारे भट्टी साहब से, sir. Allocation of Guruva Jyoti scheme in the next financial year has been reduced, sir, to 1,523 crores. I would like to know the reason for this reduction, sir. And also, sir, I have requested Bhatti Saab to review the Transco and Southern Discom work in progress in Hyderabad metropolitan area, especially in Old City, Hyderabad, and ensure that these works are completed on a speedy basis, sir, and a reliable power supply in the state capital, sir. I compliment the Telangana government for introducing clean and green policies, sir. And going further ahead, sir, this is a fact, sir, whether one agrees or not. Congress might feel, the government might feel bad. Kya bol rahe Akbar Saab? Sir, we are having regular power cuts, sir. It is a fact, sir. This needs to be addressed, sir. We need to know that why is it happening, sir? Unaccounted power cuts in Hyderabad are causing significant disruption in resident, particular in several areas with Greater Hyderabad, sir. IT Minister Saab is here, sir. Recently we had in Gachibowli, High-Tech City, also there was a power shutdown, and all the big offices asked their employees to leave the office and go back home. And I mean, ये मसला है, power cut हो रहा है, sir. Sir, Greater Hyderabad में भी हो रहा है, sir. Gachibowli, Ibrahim Bagh, sir. And Greater Hyderabad consumes 75.80 million units of electricity daily, sir. More than half of that demand coming from Cyber City, Medchal, Habshigoda area, marking a 35% increase over last year, sir. In 2024, Cyber City Circle saw its highest electricity demand of 714 megawatt. In official, projecting the demand will rise to 850-900 megawatts in the coming month of April and May, sir. Sir, ये होने के बाद भी क्यों हो रहा है? And sir, I have earlier also requested and asked some few clarifications, sir. And again, I'm asking this, sir. The power sector experts are expressing concern that DISCOM are buying more power than required, and as a result, they are having abnormal surplus power, sir. Is this right or wrong? I want an answer. They never give an answer, sir. I used to always say, sir, TRS ke daur mein bhi, sir, power shopping ho rahi thi, sir. Power purchase shopping. Power purchase. The power purchase shopping is still continuing with the Congress regime also, sir. Along with the power sector, with the experts, several objections have been raised on the annual revenue requirement ARR filed by the DISCOM and Telangana Electricity Regulatory Council for the financial year 25 and 26, sir. That, sir, 95,127 million units of electricity is supposed to be required for the financial year of 25 and 26 within the scope of two DISCOMs, North and South, sir. These are not my figures, sir. Sir, according to ARR, the DISCOM have 1,23,631 million units of electricity, sir. जब आपका requirement 95,127 है, तो फिर आप ये 1,23,631 million units of electricity क्यों लिए, sir? There is no answer, sir. Sir, it was explained that having 30%, 28,504 million units more electricity than required, DISCOM is not at all, I mean, it's having 30% extra, sir, and it is not at all acceptable, sir. And 5% surplus, agar 5%, sir, if it is 5% surplus, it is acceptable. 30%, sir, 30%, sir. And these are not my figures, sir. ये इनके figures हैं, अब जो books दिए उसमें आया, sir. 95,127 million बोल रहे हैं, sir, requirement. और आपके पास है कितना? 1,23,000. Now the question arises is that, कि why are we having power cuts? फिर जब आप you are having so much of power, तो मैं यही कह रहा हूं, sir, परचेज ये भी करते रहे, ये भी कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, चलो शायद इसमें बहुत बड़ा फायदा है पावर परचेज में, शायद हो सकता है, I'm wrong, sir. हो सकता है, but I think everybody knows कि बहुत power purchase में बहुत पैसा है. So depending on the changes in demand, the DISCOM have to make power purchase agreement (PPM). Sir, experts have also expressed concern that the losses of DISCOM are and dues from the various government departments, sir. When I was going through the details, sir, by the end of the financial year 23-24, the losses of Southern DISCOM were 47,239 crores, and the losses of Northern DISCOM were 20,003 crores, sir. And sir, the areas of two DISCOMs from the various government department of 30th September is 30,777. Sir, Northern and Southern दोनों का हम ले लेते हैं, sir. 47,000 and again total is 47,000 or 20,000 हम ले लेते हैं, sir. But now the due from the government departments is 30,000. Why are you not paying that dues? Sir, I'm sorry to say, sir, I wanted to elaborate more, but what wrongdoings had been done by the BRS is continued by the Congress. So where is the change, sir? There's no change, sir, in the policy, sir. Sir, experts have also stated that DISCOM has not made any mention in ARR about the purchase of 1,000 megawatt of electricity from Marwa project in Chhattisgarh. However, the electricity dues dispute, DISCOM replied that they are not having electricity from Chhattisgarh. It is not very clear, sir. Sir, about ओल्ड सिटी, सर ओल्ड सिटी में बोलते हैं बार बार के नहीं यहाँ पे लॉसेस है. सर ये पावर परचेज के लॉसेस, गवर्नमेंट के लॉसेस, और एंड सर आई वुड हैव स्पोकन मोर, सर. सर आप इतना पावर परचेज कर रहे हैं ना, सर. व्हाट आर द रेट्स, सर? वी हैव डिफरेंट रेट्स, सर. नोबडी इज क्वेश्चनिंग दोज रेट्स, नोबडी इज सीइंग दोज रेट्स, एंड इन फैक्ट द रेट्स व्हिच वर देयर इन BRS टाइम have been enhanced, and moreover it is continuing, sir. चल रहा है आगे बढ़कर. Sir, and you talk about losses of old city. There is no losses in old city, sir. Sir, I have demanded that we need some substations in old city, sir. 33 by 11 kV substations and new transformers are required in old city, sir. 70 square millimeter bunch cable for LT distribution network, approximately 100 kilometers required in this net immediately, sir. And creation of more number of sections in old city, as each section is having an average of 60,000 service presently, sir. As per norms, each AE should have only, now you see, sir, each AE should have only 12,000 to 15,000 services. And sir, we are expecting to do a duty of 4 AEs by 1 AE only according to staff. Sir, staff also needs to be increased, sir. Old city में देखिए आप, sir, ऐसा नहीं है, sir. Sir, old city, there is a lot of trees. Earlier, 11 kV AB air bunches cable of sizes 185 square meters were laid, very substandard and poor quality, and all the AB cables are damaged, and multiple joints in old city need to be replaced, sir. The concept of laying underground cable at the present government is invited and is accepted, but the underground cabling work starts with 33 kV cable and even 11 kV cable at the first instance. So this will help strengthening 33 kV and 11 kV network, sir. So there is an urgent need of 5 acres of land for EHT, Extreme High Tension 132 kV substation in Ibrahimbag division that falls under the Hyderabad parliamentary constituency. There is an abnormal load growth, residential towers, commercial complexes in the area. Hence 5 acres of land is urgently needed in this area through Rangareddy district collector, sir. I hope that the government will make a note and provide 5 acres of land, sir. Sir, also, sir, there is no stock in the stores, sir, for cables and other items, sir. New transformers, enhancements capacity is required, sir. That is also not been addressed, sir. And also, sir, in this, going further ahead, sir, the Energy Minister Saab says that the Telangana peak demand reaches 16,918 megawatts with a record consumption of 329 million units on 3rd of March this year. The Telangana government has allocated 11,500 crores in subsidies to power generated companies, sir. Sir, and also, sir, I may point out that Deputy Chief Minister who holds the finance and energy portfolio says the budget speech that an allocation of rupees 21,221 crores is made for energy department in the next year's budget but he has moved the demand for grant amounting to rupees 16,075 crores now. Sir, I want to know the reason for the difference in these two figures, sir. I always scream and shout about these figures, sir. No figure is tallying, sir. Sir, also, sir, there are many things, sir, but I'm really cutting short, sir. Going to the next subject, sir. Hi, sir. Sir, there are Governor, Council of Minister and General Administration, sir. These two important demands, number 2 and 4, account for budgetary allocation of only rupees 478 crores in the budget for 2025-26, sir. However, the General Administration Department has many important commission and organization under its purview, sir. These include the State Public Debt Service Commission, Official Language Commission, State Human Rights Commission, Telangana Vigilance Commission, Lok Ayukta and Upalok Ayukta, Administrative Tribunal for Disciplinary Proceeding, Anti-Corruption Bureau, Vigilance and Enforcement Department, and Dr. MCR HRD Institute, etc., sir. So, however, some of these commissions and organizations are non-functional in the absence of the chairman, members and other officials, sir. Sir, मैं बार-बार एक ही बात मुसलसल करता आ रहा हूं, sir. As per the provisions of the Act, the commission consists of chairman and 4 members. Sir, इसमें I'm talking about this Telangana Official Language Commission is set up under the provision of Telangana Official Language Act, sir. Sir, इसमें मैं बार-बार कह रहा हूं, sir. ये तेलंगाना ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज कमीशन में एक उर्दू बोलने वाले को भी रखिए, सर. द रीजन वाई, सर, ऑन द डिमांड ऑफ मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन एंड माई सेल्फ, सर, द तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट हैज देन केसीआर साहब हैड डिक्लेयर्ड उर्दू एज अ सेकेंड ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द स्टेट, सर. जब आप उर्दू को दूसरी सरकारी जबान का मौखफ दे दिए हैं, तो आप ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज कमीशन में एक उर्दू बोलने वाले को भी रखिए, सर. जो हम मुसलसल डिमांड कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उस पे आज तक भी तवज्जो नहीं हुई, सर. तेलंगाना स्टेट पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन also has been constituted after the Congress assumed the office. I request the government to ensure that 4% reservation for socially and educationally backward BCE category are implemented in all recruitments, sir. When I say about recruitment, sir, मैं ये बात इसलिए कह रहा हूं, सर, कि आप कई लोगों के टेम्पररी और जो दूसरे सर्विसेज थे उसको रेगुलराइज कर रहे हैं, तो वो 4% रिजर्वेशन मुसलमानों को उसमें नहीं है और उससे महरूम हो रहे हैं, सर. Sir, also, sir, we have also always been requesting for one demand, sir, option to write recruitment test in Urdu, sir. Sir, उर्दू को दूसरी सरकारी जबान का मौखफ दिए गए हैं. जब दिया गया है, तो जितने भी जनरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट के जो इश्यूज है, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर टू गिव इफेक्ट टू द एश्योरेंस दैट all the recruitment tests of Public Service Commission, state level, police recruitment boards and various department, जितने भी होंगे, सर, चाहे इसमें कोई दूसरे भी डिपार्टमेंट्स हो, उर्दू में इम्तिहान लिखने की सहूलत देनी चाहिए, सर. Sir, administration and justice, sir, the lower judiciary in the state, civil courts, he has a total number, sir, of the total number, 2.36 lakh cases were pending in the Telangana High Court as on 30th September 2022, sir. I would like to know the total number of cases pending in subordinate courts, district courts and Telangana High Court as on now, sir. Sir, I request the government to ensure that the vacant post of magistrate, civil judges, other ranks of judicial officers are filled up in time-bound manner as to that these court function without any hassle and cases are disposed of expeditiously, sir. Sir, state legislature के बारे में मैं आपसे बोल चुका हूं, sir, पूरे committees के लिए, and I hope that honorable minister साहब पूरे committees को बना देंगे, sir. And going to the home department, sir, इसमें थोड़ा सा I'll just take a few minutes in this home department, sir. The demand for the grants for home department is rupees 10,188 crores in the next year's budget. So the home department, in fact, comprises several departments, including Director General of Police, Prisons, Printing and Stationery, State Disaster Response and Fire Services, Sainik Welfare, different wing of police departments such as Police Academy, Police Commissionerate of Hyderabad, Cyberabad, Rachakonda, Intelligence, Home Guard, Special Protection Force, Greyhounds, Octopus, Police Academy, or Civil Defense Organization, Telangana Integrated Command Control Center, Telangana Cyber Security Bureau and Telangana Anti-Narcotic Bureau, sir. अब ये बिल्कुल कम वक्त में बोलने के लिए बोले हैं सर, मुसलसल बोल रहा हूं सर 15 महीने से। वो निजाम पुलिस एक यूनिट है सर, उनके बारे में उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत और होम मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर के साथ में है, वो पोर्टफोलियो उनके पास है। जब मिनिस्टर साहब जवाब देंगे तो उसके ताल्लुक से भी कुछ बोलेंगे सर। Sir, it is 16 months that the Congress has came to power, sir. When the Congress came to power in December 2023, the government asserted that it would ensure law and order, public safety and crime prevention. However, the crime data for the year 2024 calendar year released by the DGP as well as Commissioner of Hyderabad, Cyberabad, Rachakonda and Cyber Security Bureau and Anti-Narcotic Bureau shows that there is a spurt in crimes in general and in cyber crimes in particular, sir. Sir, I have all the details, sir. All the details, sir. Overall crime in Telangana jumped by 22.53% from 1,38,312 cases in 2023 to 1,69,477 cases in 24, a net increase of 31,165 cases according to the annual report, sir. This is not again my figure, sir. Telangana recorded 19,922 cases of crime against women in 2024, a 4.8% increase from 19,013 in 2023, sir. Cyber crimes have surged dramatically, sir, with 25,184 cases reported in 2024 as against 17,571 cases in the year 2023, sir. Telangana saw consistent growth in cognizable offense over the past few years. In 2020, 1,19,863 cases were reported, which increased to 1,25,479. In 2021, 1,31,988. In 2022, the number further climbed to 1,38,312 in 2023 before peaking at 1,69,477 in 2024. This is 22.5% rise compared to 2023, sir. The highlights both increased reporting and rise in crime such as cyber fraud, theft and crime against women also, sir. Sir, when I say the crime is increasing, sir, one important thing which I want to raise is that, sir, कि पुलिस स्टेशन ये क्रिमिनल्स को नहीं देखते हैं, सर, और क्योंकि इनको मालूम है कि कौन क्रिमिनल्स है, क्या है. So the crime is increasing because most of the police stations are busy with land dealings and solving land disputes and clearing all land issues, sir. ये इस वजह से ऐसा हो गया है, सर. पुलिस स्टेशन में पब्लिक का काम नहीं हो रहा है, वुमेन के ऊपर जुल्म के ऊपर नहीं हो रहा है, किडनैपिंग पे नहीं हो रहा है, चोरी पे नहीं हो रहा है. पुलिस स्टेशन में अगर कुछ होता है, सर, लैंड डीलिंग, बस. Sir, I'm telling this with all responsibility, sir. The reason is that, sir, in my constituency, sir, the police stations are, dealing this. सर, एक जमीन बेच के चले गए, सर. एक गरीब बल्लागोड़ा एरिया में, सर, जमीन खरीद लिया. He had money only to purchase the land. तो वो अपने पैसों से बाउंड्री वॉल उठा लिया, सर. And sir, somebody comes with some court order, लेके आ गया, सर. 10 साल की बाउंड्री वॉल में घुस के तोड़ के अंदर घुस गए. पुलिस जा रही है, कुछ नहीं कर रही रोडीज को, सर, लैंड ग्रैबर्स को छोड़ दिए, सर, छोड़ दिए, सर. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, सर, एक गरीब अपनी मेहनत से अपना प्लॉट लेता है, कोई सम कोर्ट ऑर्डर बोल के लेकर आते. आई हैड टू कॉल अप टू द कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस हैदराबाद, सर, फॉर विच मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करूंगा कि जैसे मैं कमिश्नर साहब को बोला हूं, साहब के ये पुलिस स्टेशन में लैंड डीलिंग्स के तस्वीर हो रहे, मसाइल हल हो रहे और पूरा हो रहा. कमिश्नर पुलिस कॉल द डीसीपी, एसीपी, सर्कल, गेव देम द वार्निंग, सर. और गरीब औरतों का, गरीब लोगों के पोजीशन पुलिस ठहर के लैंड ग्रैबर्स को दिला रही है. फिर कमिश्नर साहब सीवी आनंद साहब बोले नहीं, वापस दियो पोजीशन, वापस दे दिए, सर. फिर पुलिस वाले खामोश. सर, दिस इज व्हाई द क्राइम इज इंक्रीजिंग, सर. अब आप ट्रैफिक में देखिए, सर, What is the rule position? What is the rule position, sir? The traffic police is supposed to monitor the traffic, regulate the traffic. The rule position says that, do they have the right to issue challans? Do they have the right to give fines? No, sir. No, they do not have. लेकिन क्या करते हैं सर? कोने में ठहरे हुए, खाली फोटो लेना. इफ्तार के टाइम पे जा रहे, चिक फोटो ले लो, डाल दो, फाइन. और वो पैसा कहां जा रहा सर? गवर्नमेंट ट्रेजरी. गवर्नमेंट ट्रेजरी. एटलीस्ट चलो वो पैसा चालान से जो आ रहा है वो आप ट्रैफिक को अच्छा करिए, सिग्नल्स लगाइए. नहीं सर. सर इन राइट फ्रॉम ओवैसी हॉस्पिटल जंक्शन, बल्लागोड़ा, आरामगढ़ सर, अब आप बोलेंगे सर दिस हाउस वुड बी सरप्राइज व्हाट इज द स्टेट ऑफ अ लेजिस्लेचर. सर आई हैव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 1.5 year कि सिग्नल्स दे दो सर, ये रोड पे एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं. नोबडी इज बॉदर्ड टू गिव सिग्नल सर. व्हाई? ओल्ड सिटी है, व्हाई? मुसलमान रहते हैं, व्हाई? वहां पे सिग्नल रहने दो, नहीं रहने दो, कुछ नहीं होता है. हाईटेक सिटी में सिग्नल होना, फ्लाईओवर होना, अंडरपास होना, लाइट होना. सर द गवर्नमेंट कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड सम फ्यू सिग्नल सर. आप बताइए ट्रैफिक का क्या आलम है सर? ट्रैफिक जहां जाओ कंजेशन है, कुछ कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं, खाली बातें 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 सर. बस आ गई है तबीयत बातें सुनते सुनते. अरे हम काम चाह रहे हैं, कब काम होगा नहीं मालूम सर. सर क्या क्या कैमरा सीसी कैमरास लगा दिए, कहां चल रहे सर? सर मैं बोलता हूं. एक मिनट सर, आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है सर. 10 साल से उन्होंने नहीं करे, इस वास्ते यहां आए. अब आप यहां आना चाह रहे ना, नहीं आएंगे आप. तो मैं आपको करो बोल रहा हूं सर, वो नहीं करे, आपको करो बोल रहा हूं. गुस्से में क्यों आ रहे हैं आप? आप बोलिए 10 साल वो नहीं करें अकबर साहब, हम करेंगे, बोलिए आप. अब sir, yesterday my learned friend rose up and said it is only 15 months that we have come to power. 9 महीने में बच्चा पैदा हो जाता सर. अरे कैसा सर? आप बोलिए अभी कितने दिन होना है आपको? कितने दिन होना है? अभी और 15 महीने होना है क्या? कैसा सर?
Sir, with all my humility, sir, I would like to tell my learned friend who can twist words, who can put words, who... No, I'm telling you. Because, sir, when my learned other friend, Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi sir, was speaking, very intelligent MLA, sir, ex-minister. You were just trying to prick some issue of video CC camera, sir. They were there for 10 years, sir. Yes, 15 months. We are setting things right. साई बोले 9 महीने में पैदा हो सकता बच्चा, मगर sir, for few people, to set right the things which has been done by the earlier government. Our government is taking time to make few things undone first. Then we'll think of having a plan of having a baby or invines and all. No, sir, not at all. And my point, sir, my point to Akbar Sahab bhi, regarding the law and order situation here. Just now, our Honorable Chief Minister has explained the situation of law and order. I would like to request Akbar Sahab ko, if there are any issues in regarding to any police officer who is going against rules and regulations of the law enforcement agencies, definitely we are here to take action against those people if they are going overboard their job responsibilities, Adhyaksha.
Akbarji.
Honorable panel speaker, sir, I thank you. Through you, I thank the Minister Saab for replying, sir. Sir, law and order का situation भी क्या है? जैनूर का फिसाद आपके सामने है. किसी को जाने नहीं दिए. सोशल बायकॉट हो रहा है. मस्जिद पे क्या हुआ है आपके सामने है. शमशाबाद की मस्जिद, 1 मस्जिद, 2 मस्जिद, 3 मस्जिद आपके सामने है. सिकंदराबाद की मंदिर में जाके मूर्ति को तोड़ा गया, ये भी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का सिचुएशन क्या है आपके सामने है. फिर चंद्रायन गुट्टे में भी एक मंदिर में हमला हुआ, वो भी आपके सामने है। गेरुआ कपड़े में एक रोजेदार गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय लेके जा रहा है, गवर्नमेंट के फाइल, उसको मारा गया निजामाबाद में। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का ये सिचुएशन भी आपके सामने है। क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन सर, इसमें भी 4.8% हैव बीन इंक्रीज सर। अब आप बोलेंगे कैसे हुआ सर? दीज आर नॉट माई फिगर्स सर। The state recorded 19,922 cases of crime against women in 2024, showing 4.8% increase from 19,013 in 2023. Rape cases surged to 2,945, a sharp of 28.94% rise compared to the previous year, sir. Rape ka. And these are not my figures, sir. 28.94%, sir. आप बताइए सर। सो अब आप बोलते हैं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा है, जयनूर का फिसाद लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा है, मार रहे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा है, मस्जिदों को गिरा रहे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा है, मंदिरों में मूर्तियों को डैमेज कर रहे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर अच्छा है। कहां से अच्छा है सर? वेयर इज इट सर? आई टेल यू वन थिंग सर, आई एम ए वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पर्सन, मगर पुलिस वाले जो बोलना सर, पुलिस वालों की भी हिम्मत की दाद देना सर। सो यू नो सर, रिसेंटली सम फ्यू पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स केम टू मी, आके मेरे को बोले अकबर साहब ये पुलिस स्टेशन बनाना है साहब। मैं हाँ बनाइए, अच्छा है, लैंड आ गया। तो उसके बाद में पुलिस वाले मेरे को बोल रहे अकबर साहब जरा आप कुछ पैसे दीजिए। तो मैं उनको पलट के बोला कि वो आपको कहां से मामूल आ रहा है ना, वो मामूल अपने घर में अपने जेब में मत डालो, उससे पुलिस स्टेशन बना लो, बन जाता। हमसे पूछते हैं, हम 50,000 बच्चों को फ्री पढ़ा रहे हैं सर। सिर्फ करप्शन है सर, पुलिस तो ऐसी है सर, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते हैं। क्या है नहीं मालूम सर। इस वजह से ये क्राइम बढ़ रहा है। एंड दे कम एंड दे आस्क अस, नहीं अकबर साहब पुलिस स्टेशन बनाना आप दो, इनको मामूल नहीं मिल रहा सर। डोंट दे नो हु आर द एरिया रॉबर्स? दे नो सर। Don't they know who are the ganjatis? They know sir. Don't they know where the ganja comes? They know sir. Don't they know where the brown sugar comes? Yes they know. Don't they know that where the drugs comes? They know sir. Don't they know where is the duplication of ये बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है, इनको मालूम, सब मालूम रहती साहब, लेकिन ये है कि सबसे इनको मामूल आता है, इसलिए खामोश रहते हैं और तवज्जो नहीं है। देखिए सर, 28.94 rapes have increased. I am going to say on this, sir. Cyber crime surged dramatically, sir. Then Telangana during 2024, as per the Telangana Cyber Security Bureau, sir, TGCSB 25,184 cases has been reported in 2024, as against 17,571 cases in 2023, a jump of 43.33%, sir. And then TGCBC refunded इतने पैसे, they give a figure, we refunded 180 crore, 247 को put on hold. अरे सर वो सब है सर, but sir, crime sees I would say the 2,150% jump in refund, the sharpest jump in cases were recorded by the State Cyber Security Bureau, sir, by 43.33%. The total amount refunded to the victims in 2024 stood at rupees 180 crores. This is a 2,150% increase from rupees 8 crores refunded in 2023, sir. Sir, NDPS Act cases, sir. Efforts to combat drug trafficking and abuse intensifies in 2024 with 1,950 cases registered under the NDPS Act, a rise from 1,360 cases in 2023. The Telangana Anti-Narcotic Bureau seized drugs worth 142.95 crores and arrested 4,682 people. In addition to seizing large quantities of ganja, heroin and synthetic drugs, the Bureau obtained freezing orders of properties worth 55.8 crores from offenders involving in 10 major cases, sir. Sir, and also road safety, the state recorded 20,702 road accidents, showing a slight reduction from 23,491 in 23 to fatal accidents, however, increased marginally with 6,640 deaths compared to 6,541 in previous years. Grievous accidents saw a sharp reduction of 56.42, dropping from 2,336 in 2023 to 1,018 in 2024, sir. Sir, अब आप देखिए in Hyderabad jumps 41%, sir, jumps in Hyderabad 41% in 2024, sir. Number of registered cases in Hyderabad rose from 25,488 in 2023 to 35,944 in 2024, making a significant increase in overall crime, sir. Sir, the crime witnessed a steep rise of 65.74%, increase from 5,098 cases in 2023 to 8,447 in 2024, sir. Sir, crime against women rose by 2.39% from 2,424 cases in 2023 to 2,482 in 24, while the crime against children saw a concerning increase. Sir, this is very important, sir. I hope the government will make a note of this, sir. Sir, the crime against children saw a concerning increase of 21.02%, growing from 371 cases in 23 to 449 in 2024, sir. Sir, about the case involving scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities, sir, recorded marginal rise of 1.74 for 172 in 23 to 175, sir. Traffic violations, sir. Traffic violations, sir, I have all the figures, sir. Sir, Hyderabad recorded 2,745 road accidents in 2024 as opposed to 2,548 last year. Despite enhanced safety measures, the city saw 227 deaths in 76 fatal accidents in 2024, sir. Sir, when I was saying, I was requesting for the signal, sir. OSC Hospital Junction से लेके आगे तक, sir. Sir, there, ये एक महीने में, right from OSC Hospital till Aramgarh, sir. We have to see that area, sir, where Chandrayaan Gutta Chaurasta is there, sir, then DRDO defense area is there, उसके आगे आप बढ़ते हैं हाशमाबाद, बल्लागोड़ा है, बल्लागोड़ा के आगे महफिल होटल है, उसके आगे आते हैं, sir. In that stretch, sir, सिर्फ ये एक महीने में some 16 or 17 accidents happened, sir. 17 deaths हुए हैं, sir. पुलिस को क्या फिक्र है, सर? हाँ, लोग मरते रहते हैं, मरने दो, क्या होने का है? सर, जिसके घर में मौत होती है उसको मालूम. एक रोजेदार राजेंद्र नगर से जा रही थी बच्ची, शी इज अ डॉक्टर, सर. One girl was going to write her exam, sir. वो जंक्शन में सिग्नल नहीं है, वहां पे मर गई, सर. तो सर ये चीजें they do not want to sir, and this during the drunk and drive check in 2024, 8,40,008 people were checked. 52,080 cases were booked, 46,468 charge sheets were filed. In 2023, 3,49,917 people were checked, 43,950 cases were booked, and 45,327 charge sheets were filed. ये तो हो रहा है, sir. But still, sir, drink and drive is continuing. What is happening, sir? Is it coming down? Every Friday, Saturday, देखो सर, यूं डाल देते, वो जो भी आ रहा है उसको फू कराते रहते हैं, सर. वहां पे ठहरे हुए कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, सर. पीने वाला पी रहा है और मरने वाला मर रहा है. इन ठहरते हैं, ट्रैफिक जैम करते हैं, उसके बाद में फिर पीछे से एक आदमी आता, जेब में से कुछ निकाला, ऐसा दे दिया, ले लिए, खत्म, जाओ बोले चले जाता, सर. इतना करप्शन, सर, so much of corruption, sir. Sir, in 2023, 19,29,698 violations were recorded for riding without a helmet, which jumped to 22,74,662 in 2024. In 2023, 1,878 people were booked for minor driving, which increased to 2,976 in 2024. Sir, minors गाड़ी चलाते हैं, उसको चेक करना चाहिए ना, सर. वो चेक नहीं करते. सर, माइनर्स जो ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं उनके फैमिलीज को पकड़ना चाहिए, वो नहीं करते, सर. बुला के काउंसलिंग करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करते, सर. माइनर्स के गाड़ी चलाने से कई डेथ्स हो रही हैं, सर. सर, वो नहीं करते. हेलमेट बराबर नहीं है, बस खाली क्या काम है, सर? पीछे ठहरना, ऐसा फोटो ले लेना, दे देना. एक गरीब आदमी, सर, एक गरीब आदमी को रोजाना 1,000 का अगर फाइन आ जाएगा, ऑटो बस फ्री कर दिया, ऑटो वाले परेशान है. ऑटो वालों का ख्याल करते बोले अब तक नहीं करे, परेशान है बेचारे. और उसके ऊपर वो ऑटो वालों को चालान. रैपिडो आता है, वो दूसरे जो खाना पहुंचाते हैं उनको चालान. सर, ऐसा हो गया पुलिस वालों के हाथ में, सर, सिर्फ कैमरेज दे दिए, सर. सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट, सर, थ्रू यू आई रिक्वेस्ट, सर, द गवर्नमेंट शुड फर्स्ट You know, take back the cameras which has given to the traffic police, sir, and tell them, give the cameras to the officers in charge and regulate the traffic, sir. ये रेगुलेट नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ बैठे टिक चिक बस खाली इतना मारते रह रहे हैं. क्या है सर ये? Sir, also the cyber crime, sir, the crime against women, sir, the report shows a rise in crime against women with 2,482 cases registered in 2024 compared to 2,424 in 23, sir. So this is what I'm talking about Hyderabad, sir. The total of 1,201 cases were reported during year. She team, out of these 2,280 individuals were caught red-handed and 425 PT cases were addressed. Legal action was taken in 182 cases resulting in FIR being filed, sir. Additionally, 2,519, sir. Drugs seized. Rachagunda police I have, sir. अब मिनिस्टर साहब मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट करें अकबर साहब जल्दी खत्म करो तो ठीक है सर मैं उस पर ज्यादा नहीं जाऊंगा सर बट सर देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट सर वन इंपॉर्टेंट जी हाँ साहब सर नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर फायर डिपार्टमेंट सर if I give the details of this fire department, sir, you will yourself be very surprised. What is this state? Sir, first I want one reply from the minister, sir. Sir, we are giving permissions for 24, 25, 26 stories buildings, sir. Do we have a firefighting equipment to fight the fire accident if it happens on 24th, 25th floor? Do we have that? Do we have, sir? No, sir. Our firefighting equipment can reach only till 12th floor, maximum 14th floor, sir. So, अब उसके बाद में बोलते हैं सर वी आर गिविंग परमिशन वो परमिशन को स्पीड अप कर दिए ऐसा कर दिए मतलब ये है कि तुम बिल्डिंग बना लो आग लगी तो आग के साथ मर जाओ कुछ भी हो जाओ मगर हम परमिशन दे देंगे है सर डू दे हैव सर आई हैव द लिस्ट सर आई हैव द लिस्ट सर नाउ आई विल गो इन द डिटेल सर द fire safety is not an option but it is a necessity in the state, sir. Necessity. But what are we doing, sir? Fire accidents have become a critical concern with cases increasing in recent years, sir. Telangana alone, the number of fire accidents rose from 6,789 in 2021 to 7,831 in 2024, resulting in over 200 deaths and property damage of 619 crores with 2,500 incidents reported in Hyderabad. By February 10, 2025, 50 fire accidents have already been recorded, indicating that an average of 2 to 3 incidents occur daily. Across the state, a total of 7,831 fire accidents occurred, sir. Hyderabad city has a record at least 7 fire incidents every day this year, sir. Since Jan 1, 2024, the city has seen 2,341 mishaps, resulting in 37 fatalities, sir. According to fire department records, sir, Madhapur recorded the highest number of incidents with 163 out of 38 re-station in Hyderabad, Medchal, Malkatgiri, Rangareddy district with 6 deaths. Shamirpet recorded the highest number of fire-related deaths, sir. Instead of IT corridor, with its dense residential population, sir, many hotels and all are there. 117 fire accidents happened there, sir. While Rajendra Nagar saw 73 fires, sir, during inspection of hostel flats, Madhapur officials were alarmed to find the most buildings had no fire safety equipment. Sir, aap dekhiye, this is the state, sir. And this fire department, sir, I am running free schools. I am running free schools, sir. Sir, in the free schools, they come for inspection and they say, ye nahi hai, wo nahi hai, ye motor nahi hai, aisa nahi hai, wo nahi hai, ye dalo, wo dalo, sab dalo. फ्री स्कूल्स है हम सब डालते हैं फिर भी फायर एनओसी नहीं देते हैं और जहां पे कुछ नहीं है वहां पे देखो आप देते हैं क्यों सर क्यों पैसा देना है सर मैं नहीं देने वाला हूं पैसा सर वेदर यू गिव मी और यू डोंट गिव मी मैं आई एम गोइंग टू स्टैंड हियर डू माय ड्यूटी आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सपोज देम ब्रिंग द रियलिटी टू देम सर So the Telangana Fire Disaster Response and Emergency and Civil Defense Departments have attended 7,383 fire calls, sir. Sir, इसमें देखिए sir, fire stations, sir, yes sir. The department operates 147 fire stations across Telangana, including 119 single units, 18 double units, and 1 multi-unit station. Now, sir, high-tech city, अभी हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब बोले, चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब करे, बाद में राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब करे. उससे पहले तो कुछ भी नहीं था, sir. I also know, all the elders also know. Sir, you tell me, sir, high-tech city में how many fire refilling units हैं sir और areas हैं. Actually sir, as per the regulation and building plans and also layouts, sir, wherever you are approving a layout, you have to give a fire engine filling point. High tech city में कितने fire engine filling points है sir? राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब भी भूल गए, नहीं करे जाओ. चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब भी नहीं करे, केसीआर साहब भी नहीं करे. अब मैं बोल रहा हूं कम से कम रेवंत रेड्डी साहब, आप तो भी फायर इंजन फिलिंग स्टेशंस और यूनिट्स को बनाइए सर. सर, वन फायर इंजन कम्स, it has a particular quantity of water with which it tries to kill the fire. आग को बुझाने की कोशिश करती है और वो फायर इंजन का पानी खत्म हो जाता है. रीफिलिंग के लिए कहां जाना है सर उसको? वहीं का वहीं. सर, actually it is supposed to be on the road, main roads पे, कि वहीं से पानी भर के वहां से गए वैसा. Is it there, sir? Yes, easy filling. It's not there. Can they say it is one place, sir?
Akbar sahab, please.
Sir, no, sir. This is a very important issue, sir.
नहीं, इसके लिए नहीं बोलो. Just.
Sir, I'll complete, sir. But it's very important, sir. I know, sir. I'm being very. थोड़ा सा मैं जरा गुस्से में बोल रहा हूं और जरा खुल के बोल रहा हूं, तो शायद बहुत खराब दिख रहा है, तो आप मुझे बंद कर दो बोल रहे हैं. तो ठीक है सर. Sir, I don't know whether you're coming for my rescue or I don't know, sir, whether the rescue for the government and the police department, sir. ठीक है सर, मैं आप जब बंद करना चाह रहे बंद कर दीजिए, मैं बैठ जाता हूं, मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं है. आपका इख्तियार है सर, आप कुर्सी पे है, मैं आपकी इज्जत करता हूं, आपका एहतराम करता हूं. जब तक आप देंगे, जब तक बोलूंगा, जब बंद कर देंगे बैठ जाऊंगा सर. मुझे कुछ नहीं कर, मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. क्या ये इंपॉर्टेंट इशू नहीं है सर फायर का? सर
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
नहीं, आप बोलो सर, अगर ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है तो मैं बैठ जाता हूं. लोग को जल के मरने देना चाहिए, बोलिए बस ठीक है साहब, मैं बैठ जाता हूं, मुझे कुछ नहीं है सर. Sir, as per the guidelines of Standing Fire Advisory Committee, sir, there should be one fire station for every 50 square kilometers in a village, per 10 square kilometers in a town, per 0.5 square kilometers in metro cities, one fire station for every 50,000 population. And the SFAC recommended a scale of one fire station for every 10 square kilometers. Fire stations in Telangana, now see the state, sir. Telangana में 5 zones है. We have only 147 fire stations, sir. As per the 2011 census, the required fire stations are 700, sir. But the available are only 147. That is 21%, sir. And the deficit is how much, sir? 533. 79% less है, sir. नहीं करे ये लोग, sir. BRS नहीं करी, इस वास्ते यहाँ आ गए. मगर मैं ये बता रहा हूं ताकि आप वहां बैठना और इसको अटेंड करना और वहीं पे बैठने रह आगे भी. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो कैसा होगा सर? सर, और एज पर प्रेजेंट बजट डेटा सर, ये नया जो कास्ट सर्वे करे सर, जो कास्ट सर्वे करे सर, 4.25 करोड़ बोल रहे हैं सर, उस हिसाब से तो और बढ़ जाता है सर. 850 फायर स्टेशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड, अवेलेबल आर ओनली 147 सर. नाउ कमिंग टू व्हीकल सर. सर व्हीकल सर, हैदराबाद सिकंदराबाद में 454 water tenders, sir, 133 and water lorries, sir, bruiser, 5 extra crosser, staff, 18 members of staff required for each fire service, sir. If we calculate one in every fire station, Telangana, sir, about 12,600 staff is needed, but the working staff in both department, fire, disaster, including fire, civil defense training sanction posts are only 4,566, sir. The actual working is 2,838, sir. ये आलम है सर इसका. गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में सर, वेयर इज द फायर सेफ्टी नॉर्म सर? नो. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में, डू दे हैव द फायर फाइटिंग इक्विपमेंट? नो सर. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस सर, फायर फाइटिंग इक्विपमेंट? नो सर. डज एनीबडी गोज एंड चेक्स देयर? नो. because it's a government office. Private people, yes, they'll go check. They will harass, sir. Sir, also, sir, now, sir, fire and forest also, sir, is there? ठीक है, आप बोल रहे हैं कि जल्दी, तो मैं इस पे नहीं बोलूंगा, sir. Sir, fire staff, sir, the sanction post 2,258, जो मैं आपको बोला अभी, sir. Sir, अब actuals वहां पे 2,258 में से 1,410 है, sir. Vacancy 848, sir. 38% vacancy है, sir. ये हो गया, sir. Now, sir, अब देखिए, sir. Now, if you have to see Telangana Fire Service and Civil Defense Training Institute, sir, sanction post, अगर यहां पर भी देखें, sir, 38% कम है, sir. Last, sir, very important, sir. Very important list. I don't know who's going to answer me, sir. Telangana Disaster Response and Fire Service, Hyderabad, detail fire appliances. Detail fire appliances, sir. Bronto Skylift. Sir, we have a regulation, no, sir. आप भी परसों भी सुने नहीं, सर, वो ट्रैफिक के ऊपर हुआ तो चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब भी बोले कि 15 साल पुराने व्हीकल्स हैं या 10 साल पुराने, कुछ बोले, आई डोंट रिमेंबर कितने, 15 साल पुराने व्हीकल्स है तो उनको ऑफ रोड कर देना, रोड से निकाल देना, सब कर देना बोले ना, सर. फायर डिपार्टमेंट, सर, नाउ सी द फायर डिपार्टमेंट, सर. I feel like really laughing, and seeing me laughing, the people should really be ashamed and should be really embarrassed as to what is the fire department. So Bronto Skylift, sir. Sir, that lift, sir, below 15 years, 2, sir. Above 15 years, 0, sir. Sir, specialized appliances, sir, below 15 years, 1. And now you see, sir, there are so many, the requirements: advanced water tender, multi-purpose tender, snorkel, DCP tender, hazmat vehicle, water bowser, water lorry, Miss Jeep, Miss Bullet, Bullet Old, DE watering pump, portable pump. सर पूरे इसमें मैक्सिमम जो है ना, सर, 15 साल से पुराने हैं. बहुत कम है, सर. इसमें मल्टीपर्पस टेंडर्स फायर्स के है, सर, बिलो 15 इयर्स के 55 है, सर. सर, वाटर टेंडर्स, बेसिक फायर टेंडर्स फॉर फाइटिंग जनरल फायर्स, बिलो 15 इयर्स, सर, इट इज 80, सर. वाटर टेंडर्स और 15 साल से ज्यादा जो है वो 50 नंबर्स में भी है, सर. सर, ये द रीजन व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इज दैट, सर, कि nobody is talking about. अब जब हम ये बात करते हैं, सर, तब आप बोलते हैं वक्त हो रहा है, जल्दी खत्म करो. सर, 10 दिन का काम 4 दिन में करें तो कैसा खत्म करेंगे, सर? अब ये सर, ड्रग फ्री तेलंगाना बोल रहे हैं, सर, ड्रग्स पूरे हो रहे हैं, सर. नाउ गोइंग टू रेवेन्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंट, सर. सर, रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, I have already spoken, sir. Revenue and stamp registration, ये पूरे फिगर्स में बोलने के बजाय एक ही बोलूंगा, सर. रियल एस्टेट कोलैप्स हो गया, इसको मानो इसको, लेकिन मानना नहीं चाहते. फ्यूचर सिटी, ये सिटी, वो सिटी, ये ला रहे, वो ला रहे, अरे वो आने का वक्त आएगा जो है सो बोलिए, सर. मेनी रियल एस्टेट स्मॉल डीलर, स्मॉल काम करने वाले सुसाइड करने पर आ गए हैं, सर. मर रहे हैं. रियल एस्टेट कोलैप्स हो गया, मार्केट में पैसा ही नहीं है, सर. कोई जमीन ही नहीं खरीद रहा. हाँ, एक रीजन ये भी हो सकता है, सर, नया ट्रेंड आ गया है आजकल. पीपल दीज डेज आर नॉट बाइंग लैंड, सर. सर, लैंड नहीं बोल रहे, सर. करप्शन भी ऐसा उरूज पे आ गया है, सर. अब पहले क्या था, सर, अगर किसी को कुछ काम करना है, लो ये सूटकेस ले लो, इतने पैसे ले लो, ऐसा ले लो बोलते थे. अब नहीं बोल रहे, सर. अब क्या बोल रहे? पैसा नहीं होना, लैंड नहीं होना, कुछ नहीं होना. क्या होना? गोल्ड ला के दे दो बोल रहे, सर. गोल्ड चल रहा है, सर. गोल्ड बिस्किट. तो शायद इस वजह से गोल्ड का प्राइस बढ़ रहा है, सर. रियल एस्टेट हैज कोलैप्स, सर. लेट अस एक्सेप्ट दिस. I don't know what is government going to do to revive this real estate. Please wake up before it's too late. Please wake up before it's too late. If you're not going to address the real estate problem, कई लोग हैं पूरे जगह पे, पूरे तेलंगाना में real estate has collapsed, sir. Sir, the Dharani Bhubharati. Sir, Dharani and Bhubharati, what is it, sir? It is the same, sir. Sir, अरे कहां का रिसेशन, सर? किधर का ग्लोबल रिसेशन, किधर का रिसेशन? ये अच्छा है, सर, कुछ भी बोले तो बहाने लेना. सर भू भारती एंड धरनी सर धरनी भू भारती कुछ भी नहीं है सर, अब तक तो सेम ही है सर। आप बोले कि धरनी को हटा देंगे, क्या हुआ सर? कुछ आया नया, चालू हुआ नया? धरनी में क्या हुआ? कुछ हुआ सर? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ सर, इट इज द सेम, सिर्फ नाम बदले हैं सर, काम तो वैसी है सर। एंड लेट अस नॉट फॉरगेट दिस कि धरनी वाज वन ऑफ द रीजंस फॉर बीआरएस लूजिंग द पावर। मगर देखे सर, धरनी में ओहो ये जबरदस्त चीज रखे ये लोग, इससे बहुत फायदा हो सकता है, तो चलो रख लो, अपना भी फायदा कर लेंगे। वही हो रहा है सर, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। इधर ये लोग थे अपना फायदा करते रहे, उन्होंने बैठ के खाली बोले ऐसा करे ऐसा करे। चेंजेस क्या कर रहे हैं सर? दे आर डूइंग नथिंग। व्हेन वी आस्क फॉर द चेंजेस दे से 15 महीने हुए। ठीक है साहब, और 15 महीने ले लीजिए। लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, और सर आई माइट बी सर, माइट बी यू नो, आई ऑलवेज प्लीज सर, एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट माई कांग्रेस फ्रेंड्स टू नॉट टू फील ऑफेंडेड और एनीथिंग सर, पता नहीं सर, इतने प्रोमिसेस कर दिए सर। आई अर्लियर ऑल्सो टोल्ड कि देयर हैज टू बी सम कैप सर ऑन द प्रोमिसेस। प्रॉमिस कर दिए। तो मैं जो सोच रहा हूं, हो सकता मैं गलत हूं, एंड प्लीज यू नो forgive me for thinking like this. What I think is that कि मैनिफेस्टो बनाने वाले कांग्रेस के लोग सोचे होंगे देना लेना तो कुछ भी नहीं है, आने का है ना जाने का है, सब बस बोल दो ये दे देंगे वो दे देंगे वो दे देंगे ये दे देंगे, लेकिन आ गए अब कैसा देंगे बोल तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा। हो सकता सर, आई एम रॉन्ग, आई एम सेइंग आई एम रॉन्ग, बट दिस इज व्हाट इज माय रॉन्ग थिंकिंग। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आई एम राइट, मेरी गलत सोच है। तो ऐसा हो गया है सर, ये इसमें धरनी में भू भारती में कब करेंगे? हाउसिंग सर, हाउसिंग ये बोले सर, आई रिमेंबर बीआरएस पीपल हैड टोल्ड सर कि हैदराबाद सिटी में 12 लाख घर देंगे बोले सर। I at that time I spoke in the house and I said हैदराबाद में कहां से दे सकते, किधर से दे सकते, आप नहीं दे सकते। अकबर साहब हम देंगे। आई रिमेंबर सर वन लीडर नहीं है हमारे होम मिनिस्टर साहब, नरसिम्हा रेड्डी साहब, इतना गुस्से में आए सर, ही वॉज हियर, ही स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग विद मी। आप कैसा बोलते अकबर साहब, हम देंगे, हमारे केसीआर देंगे बना के। हो गया सर, वो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। अब आप बोल रहे हैं बना के देंगे। 15 महीने में कितने घर बनाए? अरे बने हुए है सो घरों सर, नो सर, आई साहब आप दिए बराबर दिए, अभी भी देंगे, मुझे यकीन है। देखिए मैं बोल रहा हूं ना आपको, मुझे यकीन है आप देंगे। आप गुस्से में मत आइए प्लीज, देखिए गुस्से में मत आइए। मैं देखिए उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है सर, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है। मुझे उम्मीद है सर आप देंगे। अगर दिए अच्छा है, नहीं दिए आवाम के सामने रहेगा, बुरा मत मानिए सर। ये सर देर आर सम हाउसेस 2 bedroom which are completed, which उसके अलॉटमेंट से पहले इंक्वायरी हुई सर, और उसके सर्टिफिकेट्स दे दिए। कांग्रेस आते वो घरों को रोक दी। क्या बोल के रोक दिए सर? नहीं, विल डू द इंक्वायरी। सर ऑलरेडी दोज हाउसेस हैव बीन अलॉटेड, वो अलॉटीज को तो दे दीजिए सर। अब मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में हम गोलियां खाए सर, गोली खाए, चाकू खाए, तलवार खाए, क्या कई के लिए सर? प्रोटेक्टिंग द गवर्नमेंट लैंड। और वहां पे घर बनाए, घर बना के गरीबों को दिलवाए, पट्टा दे दिए उनको, सब दे दिए सर। ऑक्यूपाई करने नहीं दे रहे। क्यों? वो बीआरएस दीस होती है, वो कांग्रेस आई नहीं देंगे। 15 महीने से आई एम सेइंग सर, क्या ये इंसाफ है सर? नो मैडम, आप नहीं समझ रहे। आप मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, आप मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे। आप देखो सर, इन डेमोक्रेसी यू हैव टू हैव टॉलरेंस, यू हैव टू हैव टॉलरेंस, यू हैव टू हैव पेशेंस। बट ये ऐसा हो गया है कि वी डू नॉट हैव एनी टॉलरेंस, वी डू नॉट वांट टू हियर एनी क्रिटिसिज्म, वी डू नॉट वांट टू हियर एनी नेगेटिव। You dance, you should just stand here and speak and praise. Sorry sir, people have not sent me here to praise for the wrongdoings. What is wrong is wrong. I stand here with all dignity, and I'm saying this, that what is wrong, whether it is BRS, whether it is Congress, whenever it is wrong, I've spoken for the wrong. Madam is not understanding. I am saying the houses, अब मैं क्या करूं साहब, ना अंग्रेजी समझ रहे मैडम बराबर, ना उर्दू समझ रहे मेरी, अब मुझे तेलुगु नहीं आती, मैं माफी चाहता हूं, मैं ये कह रहा हूं मैडम, मैं ये कह रहा हूं, घर बन गए मैडम, इंक्वायरी हो गया मैडम, बेनिफिशियरी को सेलेक्ट भी कर लिए मैडम, उनको सर्टिफिकेट्स भी दे दिए मैडम, लेकिन उसके बाद ऑक्यूपाई करने का जैसा टाइम आया तो उसको लॉक डाल के ऑक्यूपाई करने नहीं दे रहे।
प्लीज अकबर साहब,
ये बोल रहा हूं मैडम, मैं आप समझिए मेरी बात।
अकबर साहब, मंत्री यार
नहीं मैडम, वाटर भी वहां पे आ गया मैडम, हॉस्पिटल भी आ गया वहां पे मैं स्कूल भी बना दिया, उसके बाद भी नहीं दे रहे।
प्लीज अकबर साहब,
No, sir, I have to say, sir, I have to say, sir, मैं आप हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब बोले, आप बोले बोल के पूरा कट डाउन कर दिया सर, नहीं तो मैं 5 बजे तक करता था सर, लेकिन मैं कट डाउन कर दिया सर, लेकिन मैं कहना चाह रहा हूं सर, ये घरों को दीजिए सर, ऑल्सो सर, इंफॉर्मेशन पब्लिक सर, INPR सर, 430, ठीक है सर, वो भी नहीं बोलूंगा, लेकिन लास्ट पॉइंट एक इस पे बोलूंगा, इरिगेशन भी है सर, इरिगेशन पे भी नहीं बोलना सर। आप लोग बोलते ना साहब, इरिगेशन में 10 साल में इतना गलत हुआ, इतने पैसे कमा लिए, लूट लिए, वो भी नहीं बोलना। हाँ, उनको कुछ बोलने का है तो सुनने को तैयार है, आपको बोलेंगे तो सुनने तैयार नहीं है। अब आप बताइए सर, आई सिविल सप्लाईज में एक ही चीज बोलूंगा सर, ये राशन कार्ड कब देते?
अकबर साहब, आप बोलो तो हमारे बहुत इज्जत है, वैसा आप
सर मैं सिर्फ
जस्ट रिगार्डिंग टाइम क्या बोलो तो, कल रात में भी 11 हो गया है, परसों में 1 बज गया है, number of members are requesting to close at 7 o'clock.
No, sir, I really agree, sir. Sir, I have all the respect for you also, sir. You are also one of the senior members, sir. Honorable panel speaker, sir, and I have all the respect for the chair. I will abide by your order, sir, order issued by the chair, sir. मैं सिर्फ 4 मिनट में खत्म कर दूंगा सर, 4 मिनट में सर। आप बोले सर इंपॉर्टेंट है इश्यूज इरिगेशन का है, नहीं सर, मैं उस पर बाद में फिर कभी बोल लूंगा। सिविल सप्लाईज में बोलूंगा सर, जैसा कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट आई सर, आते ही बोले सर फॉर्म भर दो, डाल दो बोले अप्रैल में। सर पूरे गरीबा शहर में सर जीरोक्स कॉपीज कराए 500, 1 करोड़ 10 लाख एप्लीकेशंस आए सर, 1 करोड़ 10 लाख, राइट सर, 1 करोड़ 10 लाख। एक एप्लीकेशन को 500 रुपए तो खर्च हुए होंगे ना साहब, उन्हें जीरोक्स कराया होगा? नहीं साहब, इसको मानना चाहिए सर 500 रुपए तो हुए, वो जीरोक्स कराया, सब करा के धूप में खड़े रह के डाला सर। 1 करोड़ के 500 के हिसाब से सर गरीबों का कितना पैसा, अरे 6 गारंटी पे आप पैसा खर्च नहीं कर रहे, गरीबों के पास जो पैसा है उसमें से भी 500 करोड़ रुपया ले लिया आप और कुछ भी नहीं दिया उसको। हाँ 500 भाई, 1 करोड़ 10 लाख दरखास्तें आए सर, 1 करोड़ 10 लाख दरखास्तें आए, 500 रुपये एक एप्लीकेशन पे खर्चा तो कितने हो गए आप खुद देख लो आप। सर राशन कार्ड दे दीजिए सर, परेशान है, कोई स्कीम में नहीं आ सक रहे। हमारे कांग्रेस के फ्रेंड्स भी बोलेंगे कि राशन कार्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट शुड बी गिवन टू द नीडी पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव द राशन कार्ड्स। प्लीज सर राशन कार्ड्स दे दीजिए सर। और आप जो वादा करे थे वो जो गैस का सिलेंडर देंगे वो भी किसको मिल रहा क्या है नहीं मालूम सर, कहां से जा रहा। एंड सर मोर ओवर सर ये फाइन राइस देंगे बोले, उसका क्या है? इरिगेशन के ऊपर मैं सिर्फ एक ही बात कहूंगा सर बार बार कि फ्लड्स आए, पानी गया, सब गया, फिर भी आज पानी नहीं है, तो इसकी वजह क्या है सर? और सर ये SLBC टनल के ऊपर भी मैं सिर्फ यही कहूंगा सर, माय हार्टफेल्ट condolences to all the families who have lost their lives sir. On behalf of me and my party sir, I extend my condolences to all the families over there sir. It is very important, इसलिए मैं बोलना चाह रहा था सर। एंड जुडिशियल प्रोब इन कालेश्वरम आप बोले थे सर, और ऐलान भी करें, और 1 साल हो गया सर, इट इज बीन 1 year सर, अ कमीशन हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड। कब आएंगी सर इसकी कालेश्वरम पे रिपोर्ट? जल्दी लाइए सर, जल्दी ला कर दीजिए। एंड देर आर मेनी इश्यूज सर, but as a respect for the chair, an order issued by you and also from my learned friends sir, I had to conclude, so I'm concluding sir, and I hope that sir the issues which I have raised will be addressed, and also an action would be initiated, and I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity sir.
Thank you sir, thank you.
జారే
భూపతి రెడ్డి గారు,
హలో అధ్యక్ష,
భూపతి రెడ్డి గారు ప్లీజ్. ఇప్పుడేం పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉన్నది?
అధ్యక్ష అధ్యక్ష
నేను ఒక్క నిమిషం, ఒక్క నిమిషం
అధ్యక్ష,
ఇస్తా.
అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు స్టార్ట్ చేసిన కాడ నుంచి కూడా మొత్తం కూడా ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ నుంచి నిందించడమే తప్ప ఏ ఒక్కటి కూడా వారు పాజిటివ్ గా మాట్లాడలేదు అధ్యక్ష. నేను మాట్లాడింది వాళ్ళు 10 years లో ఇల్లు కట్టలేదు, ఇవ్వలేదు అని చెప్పిన. మీకు హిందీ రాదు, ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదంటే మై మదర్ టంగ్ ఈజ్ తెలుగు సార్, అందుకనే ఐఎమ్ అనేబుల్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆర్ హిందీ. నేనేం తెలుగు పర్సన్, తెలుగులో పుట్టిన, ఎక్కడో గూడెంలో పుట్టిన దాన్ని, కాబట్టి నేను అర్థం చేసుకోలేకపోతే నా ఇన్నర్ ఫీలింగ్ ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళు 10 సంవత్సరాల అధికారంలో ఉండి కూడా వాళ్ళు ఇల్లు వేయలేకపోయారు. 10 నెలలంటే ఈ రోజు అక్కడ వాటర్ కనెక్షన్ లేదు, ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ లేదు, రోడ్స్ లేవు, అట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా ఆగడం జరిగిందని చెప్పిన దానికి ఆయన లాంగ్వేజ్ ను కోట్ చేస్తారు అధ్యక్ష. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే వారు మాట్లాడిన దాంట్లో ఓకే, పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో కొంతమంది వ్యక్తులు, తప్పుడు వ్యక్తులు ఉండొచ్చు, సెటిల్మెంట్లు చేయవచ్చు, ఎవరనొచ్చు, కానీ మొత్తం వ్యవస్థనే పనికిరాదన్నట్టుగా, వ్యవస్థనే కించపరిచే రకంగా మాట్లాడి మంచిగా పనిచేసేటువంటి అధికారుల యొక్క ఆత్మస్థైర్యం కూడా దెబ్బతీసే విధంగా వారి స్పీచ్ ఉంది. దయచేసి ఒకసారి రివ్యూ చేసుకోవాలని కోరుతా ఉన్నాం అధ్యక్ష. ఇవాళ 10 years నుంచి కూడా అనేక బిల్డింగ్స్ కట్టిరు, ఎక్కడ కూడా సరైనటువంటి పర్మిషన్ లేకుండా కట్టేసారు. ఇప్పుడు మనం అనేక రకాల అంటే రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ పెట్టడం తోటి కొద్దిగా కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ స్లో కాగానే మొత్తం కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆగిపోయింది, బిల్డింగ్స్ ఆగిపోయినాయి, అది పోయిందని ఇట్లా కూడా ఉల్టా ప్రచారం చేస్తా ఉన్నారు. గతంలో చూస్తే ఇదే గత ప్రభుత్వంలో లాస్ట్ మంత్ ఎండింగ్ వచ్చిందంటే పోలీస్ అధికారులను రోడ్ల మీద పెట్టి ఫైన్స్ వేసి ఆ వచ్చిన వాటిని సాలరీ ఇచ్చేది వాళ్ళు. కానీ మన గవర్నమెంట్ అట్లా చేయడం లేదు. వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చే మర్యాద వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తా ఉన్నాం, పని చేయిస్తాను. కానీ మొత్తం సెటిల్మెంట్లు కాదు. గత 10 ఏళ్లలో మీకు తెలుసు ఫోన్ ట్యాపింగ్ల కోసం ఏ అధికారి ఎట్లా ఉపయోగపడ్డారు, ఎట్లా వాడుకున్నారు, ఇలా వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడున్నారు, దాని గురించి మాట్లాడాల్సింది ఉండే అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు. కాబట్టి మీరు మొత్తము మమ్మల్ని నిందించడమే పనిగా, ఎస్ లేడీస్ మీద దేశంలో రాష్ట్రంలో అత్యాచారాలు జరుగుతున్నాయి, వాటి వెనుక కూడా డ్రగ్స్, అదేవిధంగా గంజా ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. వాటి కోసం కూడా స్పెషల్ గా మరి వ్యవస్థను ఏర్పాటు చేసి పోలీస్ అధికారులతో ఎక్కడికక్కడ అవేర్నెస్, శిక్ష ప్లస్ శిక్షణ లాగా జరుగుతుంది. మరి అవి పాత వాటిని కూడా ఇవాళ ఈ గవర్నమెంట్ మీద పెట్టి గతమంతా ఘనము, ఇప్పుడు మాత్రం తప్పు ఉన్నదన్నట్టుగా మాట్లాడడం అయితే ఇది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. గౌరవనీయులు మా బ్రదరు కొద్దిగా సరి చేసుకొని మీ కోపం అంతా కూడా ఈ రోజు 10 ఏళ్ల కోపాన్ని ఈ 10 నెలల ప్రభుత్వం మీద తీయకండి, వాస్తవాలను అర్థం చేసుకోవాలని కోరుతా ఉన్నా అధ్యక్ష.
అక్బర్ సాబ్ వస్తా సార్, మీ దగ్గరికి వస్తానన్నా కదా, అక్బర్ సాబ్తో మాట్లాడుతున్నా.
Honorable panel speaker, sir. Firstly, sir, through you, sir, I want to make one request, very respectfully to my sister, to kindly, madam, put the translating thing in your ear. It will help you because my problem is I do not know Telugu. So again, if you can just put that, madam, they'll translate you can understand it more clearly. Sir, firstly, sir, I never said the entire police department is corrupt. I had appreciated that C.V. Anand, Commissioner of Police, when a complaint was lodged to him, he came for my rescue and he made sure the person who lost the position was given back the position. So I never said the entire police department is corrupt. And it is wrong. And again I am saying, I mentioned about the houses which were constructed 5 years back and completed. An inquiry was conducted, beneficiaries were selected, and the major beneficiaries are physically, mentally handicapped, widows, women, and after the inquiry they were given a certificate and sir, when they were supposed to go and occupy that 2-bedroom, they were not allowed to occupy. So my request was that kindly give them. And as far as the census, women ke taluk say 10 years, sir, all the figures which I said, I never said about 10 years figure, sir. I said only about 1 year figure. Madam is again not understanding. She is getting angry. Yes, madam, I have all respect for you. For your struggle, I have the respect for you. For the hard time that you have gone through in political career, I have the respect for you. For the position you are in that, I have a respect. And moreover, you are a woman, which I have a respect for you. But you're taking it wrong. You're simply getting upset. You're not understanding what I am saying. I am standing here not for myself, but for the people. Sir, and 1 year में, एक साल में जो हुआ, रेप्स बढ़ गए हैं, एक साल में क्राइम बढ़ गया है, किडनैपिंग बढ़ गई है, तो उसके ऊपर बोला हूं मैं. सो इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से, एंड आई एम सॉरी सर, मैं मैडम के कान को खुश करने की बात नहीं कर सकता हूं. आई एम हियर फॉर द पीपल, नॉट फॉर यू. थैंक यू सर.